Hi, everybody. Welcome to 2 minutes or less of a Torah thought. We'll begin with Abraham, or even before that, when the Ruach Halakim Rachevet al Pnei Hamayim, when the Spirit of God hovered over the face of the waters. What does that mean? What does that teach us? It's the second sentence in the Torah, and basically it tells us that God was looking for a individual who would follow the rules of the Torah like a surrogate to God. And there are many people that did follow the rules, but only Abraham was the one who concluded, and God knew that he would teach his children, because it says in Genesis chapter 18, verse 19, "For I know Abraham will teach his children and his household the ways of God." And that's exactly what happened. And because of that, he was chosen. And God chose him in Ur Kasdim, and he told him, and Abraham commanded, and he went out of Ur Kasdim by the wishes of God, and he came eventually to Eretz Israel, and he set up altars. Not that they were altars to offer anything, but altars to speak the name of God, to the uniqueness of the one God. And that's what he did throughout. In chapter 12:8, 13:4, 21:3, and 26:25, and 35:11. All the others spent time teaching the people about Torah, about the uniqueness of one God, and Abraham brought with him to Canaan the 70 souls which he had made.